In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off notification sounds on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Notifications. Within here, scroll down to the bottom, and you can use the toggle switch next to where it says Notification Sound to enable or disable them. You could alternatively use the options above to completely turn off certain notifications in addition to the sound. That's how to turn on or turn off notification sounds on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.